How to turn your photo into vector portrait illustration. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any of your photo into vector portrait illustration. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to the search bar in your search engine and search for Google AI Studio. So this is the one that you need, that is aistudio.google.com Gemini API, and it says I trade with Google AI Studio. You're going to click on this and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see this option that says sign up and get started. So simply click on it and then you'll be taken over to this interface. So you can use Google AI Studio or build with the Gemini API. So we're going to try Gemini. And here you're going to click on either whichever one you want. So in our case, we're going to try Nano Banana. Once you click on it, you're going to click on this plus icon over here and simply click on upload image and upload the image that you want to change into illustration. So as you can see, I have uploaded this image. So I'm going to write a prompt that is vector portrait illustration, flat cell shadow, no gradient effect, and gray background. And then click on run. So just wait for it to get completed. Once done, you'll be able to see something like this. So you can click on it and now you can see this is a portrait illustration with a gray background, just like you defined it. You can simply click on download over here and simply download it, and you can upload it anywhere you want. So that is basically how you can convert any of your image into portrait illustration. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.